Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're in Sape today. We're about to get the ferry. The ferry's just down the road here, maybe 200 or 300 metres. We stayed at the Island of Flores hotel and we're off to Flores. 9 o'clock the boat leaves. It's about 6:30 now, but they said to get there at 7, buy my ticket and everything. It's been pouring with rain, but the weather gods have cleared it up for me at least a little bit while I head down the road. And here we go. That sort of thing over the top of the road there, that's the ferry. The hotel was just back there, the Island. Had a pretty good sleep, about $15 US. There's another hotel just here, but Steve from a couple of videos ago, the Australian that's lived here for 50 odd years, he said yeah, the hotel just here is not the best, and he sent me to another one, but they wanted $45, so I went to the one in between the two. Now I seem to remember there's a ATM just down here, because luckily I checked and I don't have enough money for my ticket. Would have been embarrassing, but I'm pretty sure there's an ATM, and I can see it right here. There definitely is an ATM. Oh, another ferry ride, guys, and this one's a long one. 8 hours at least, and if they say 8 hours, that's probably 10 or something. And we're waiting. There's the ferry here. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but it's got all palm trees, everything on top. I'll show you when we get there. Someone spent a bit of time on that garden. I don't know what just happened there. These two guys out the front here tried to sell me a ticket, and I was a bit iffy about them, but then the guy came from inside and told me, come inside, come inside. So I think, I might be wrong, but I think they were trying to rob me. It's all right. Not rob me, but scam me, rob me. Trying to get me to pay for a ticket that would have been fake. So be careful, guys. And I'm not saying that it was, but just the way the officials ran from inside and come here sir, come here, it was, I'm pretty sure. Oh, guys, I'm excited. 8 hours. We should be there, they say, at 5 o'clock this afternoon. And here's a couple of my travel mates, new subscribers. Yeah. We're about just waiting for the ferry to load. And another ferry entry. Yeah, this one's a bit longer. I think it's supposed to be about 8 hours, guys. It was supposed to leave at 9, but now it's leaving at 10. So we'll get there about 6 apparently, but we'll see. Like I said, I've done enough of these ferries to know. Look at this, guys, a little tropical oasis on board the ship. Hello. Hello. This is beautiful on a ferry. It's like a jungle on the ferry. Amazing, guys. Someone takes a lot of pride in this vessel, that's for sure. Turned out it was only 480,000, so $48 Australian, maybe $30 US for this trip. And I'd been told 700,000, so I'd saved a bit of money. And I don't usually do this, guys, but this is an 8-hour trip, so at least 8 hours. And as I've said before, I've travelled on enough Indonesian ferries to know that that 8 hours is probably going to be 10 or 11. Touch wood. And so paid an extra $5 Australian, so about maybe $3.50 US to sit in this comfy bit. If I want to have a sleep, there's a mattress there, I can sleep. I won't be doing that though. And the main one is, up here, is a power socket, so I can just go down to the bike, get my power board and plug in the phone when I've watched too much Netflix. But guys, it's plenty to watch, and we'll be going past Komodo. That's where I was trying to think of, Komodo Islands. I couldn't think in the last video with the dragons, but we won't actually stop there. I didn't stop there last time in 2022 either, because it costs you a lot of money to be on the island. They have a tourist tax just to keep the wildlife safe, so I understand. And then it costs you a heap to do the tours. We're talking a couple of $1,000, if I remember right, for maybe a week, not even a few days on Komodo. And they can't even guarantee that they'll see a dragon. Now last time, if they'd guaranteed me, yes, I promise you we'll see a dragon, you can get one on film, I would have done it, but they couldn't even guarantee that, so I didn't bother. I'm not bothering this time, but I'm pretty sure we'll probably stop there like we did on the way to Sulawesi. Won't get off the boat. I don't think the boat even docks. I can't remember what happened in Sulawesi. I know we were there for 4 or 5 hours waiting to leave. Hope that doesn't happen today, but if it does, what can we do? I've got a hotel booked in Labuan, Bajo, and one of the guys I was talking to, I got them on film before, my travel mates. One of them's a tour guide in Labuan, Bajo, so tomorrow he's going to message me and we'll discuss a price for him to jump on the back of the motorbike, and we'll make a video in Labuan, Bajo. And I've shown you this before, guys, in the 2022 videos, but this is the Komodo Islands here. We're making pretty good time, I think. It's only 2 hours gone, but I'm sure anyway, it says that we're 8 hours from this trip, so I don't think it's going to be any quicker. Look at this, guys. Oh, I love ferry travel, Indonesia, Philippines, just incredible. Well, I've been excited to see Flores because everyone says it's their favourite island, most beautiful island in Indonesia. And it's starting out pretty well, guys. Look at this. Just incredible. So we're just about to dock. My hotel's pretty close, so I'll speak to you when we get off the ferry. Hello! Hey, fuck you, man. Okay, and I'll go. No, go back, I'll go. Oh guys, I was so hungry. I ate while the sunset was happening, but this is the rooftop hotel restaurant at my hotel. I won't be eating here again though. It was like $30. All the hidden taxes and things. Yes, I'm not kind of ruined a very good meal. Morning guys. This is from my hotel. Just incredible. Even better in the light of morning. We're looking pretty much straight west, so the sunset from here was pretty impressive. That's the ferry port over there. Oh, so my plan was to book another night, have a look around this town, but they're booked out tonight, so don't know what I'm going to do. Moving hotels. When I look, there's a kind of lookout up there. There's this building here. There's another pretty flash looking place up the hill here. I remember seeing from the hotel, from the ferry. Oh, and there's that other building up there. Yeah, I'd like to have a look around. I think what I might do is head back to my room, check out some other hotels. Otherwise, we're going to head towards Ende. I think it's Ende where we get the ferry to Flores. So this is where I stayed, guys, the Eco Tree Hotel without an H on the hotel. It was okay, like comfy enough, but the TV had English channels, but it didn't have a remote for the set-top box, so you couldn't actually change channels to get to there. And when I asked for a remote, they sent me one that was snapped in half that didn't work, and I went and asked for another one. I never saw them again. But anyway, whinge. They're booked out tonight. I was going to book another night so I can explore this beautiful little place. Kind of reminds me of Ella in Sri Lanka, except it's on the coast instead of in the mountains. Well guys, this is where we ended up. This is the World B&B. It's about 8 minutes from the centre of town where all that touristy stuff is, so it's a lot cheaper than everywhere else. So about $20 US a night. And it's got a swimming pool, so I'm about to jump in the pool. I'll show you more of the video of the hotel in the next video. Oh guys, that was an easy day. So I'm just going to do some editing, spend a lot of the day in the pool. I might go and explore this little town, but for now, plenty of footage to make a video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.